healthcare organizations in the UK still recruiting health professionals from countries in the WHO's red list? The simple answer is yes. If this is something you'll be interested in, then stick with me in this video as I'll be sharing with you companies that are currently recruiting for healthcare professionals from outside the UK. Number one on the list is Akkad Healthcare Limited. They are recruiting international registered nurses. As you can see, that's the salary. They're looking for full-time and permanent positions. So they are looking for talented registered nurses who are interested in moving to the UK to work for a leading NHS trust as a registered nurse or registered mentor nurse on a permanent role. So you can see the benefits, full support and guidance throughout the process, flights paid and arranged for you, accommodation paid for you, meet and greet at the airport. I'll let you see the rest yourself. Going further, you can have a look at the job responsibilities and the person specifications. They're looking for someone who has at least a 6 months experience. You've passed your English requirements and you're registered with the NMC or already in the process. Pass your CBT. Yeah, so that's it for this one. I'm going to put a link to this job description in the description of this video. So if you want to apply or you want to find out more about this job, you can just click on the link and it take you straight to this application. Okay, it's on Indeed. All right. The second on the list is Term Care Personnel Limited. They are looking for international healthcare assistants. So this one is for healthcare assistants, not nurses. And they say they are recruiting from abroad healthcare assistants with experience. You need to have English UKVI 4 components, TB test for UK, and a police clearance. A certificate or diploma in healthcare or first aid training is essential. Driving is not a must but an advantage. You must have a CV covering 3 years of work experience in a healthcare setting. So, and they've got jobs in England and Wales. So you can see where you have to send your CV to. Okay. So, yeah, I'm also going to leave a link to this job. You can have a look. They say certificate of sponsorship is assigned to this job. So the pay rate is £10.76 per hour. They've got a variety of shifts. So yeah, I'm going to also leave a link to this job in the description. Okay? Right. Let's move on to the next. The third company on my list is called Zander Hendricks Healthcare. They're looking for mental health nurses. So you must have at least 1 year working experience and the job comes with visa sponsorship. The benefits include salary of up to 26,000 plus per annum, free accommodation for 1 month, free joining flight, reimbursement of your NMC and CBT application fees, sponsorship of visa and OSCE costs, training and guidance with OSCE. They require a minimum of 1 year experience in the mental health nursing, a nursing diploma or degree, valid nursing license in your home country, and you must have passed your IELTS and or OET exams. So that's the email to forward your CVs to. Yeah. So I'm also going to leave the link to this job in the description. You can click on it and read further and then apply if you're ready, if you've got your documents together. Okay? The next on the list is HCA Healthcare UK. They're looking for international pre-registered nurses in hematology, oncology, and chemo. The criteria includes you must have passed your CBT, completed your IELTS or OET, and completed NMC application. And you must have significant number of years of post-registration experience and IV chemotherapy administration experience. Okay, so they are looking for a particular specialty. Okay, so these are your job description. This is your job description, and the package includes visa sponsorship, flight to the UK, free 3 months accommodation. Wow. Transport from airport to accommodation on arrival, £50 food voucher, 1 month free travel card, a SIM card, and welcome package worth £200, containing toiletries, kitchenware, and food. Oh, this is nice. So they're also going to pay for your NMC fee and OSCE exam, and then training for your OSCE. Oh, this is really nice. So that's that for this one. I'm also going to leave the link to this particular job in the description, okay? So you can go ahead and apply if this interests you. On to the next. Number 5 on the list is Glassdoor. So Glassdoor is looking for a senior care worker. Job location is Hertfordshire, Essex or Enfield, and it's for domiciliary care. So these are the main duties of the job, and the skills they require is clearly written there. They prefer if you have a driving license, but it's not essential. You have to be fluent in English, and they prefer someone who has a previous experience in healthcare. Okay, so salary is about 20,000 plus pounds. So they're going to support you with accommodation when you enter the UK and ongoing training for your personal development. So initially, this job, the closing date was for last year and 28th of November 2022. However, it has been updated and the new closing date is the 16th of May 2023. So I'm also going to leave the description, I'm also going to leave the link to this job application in the description. Okay, so if this interests you, you can go ahead and apply. Smithton Healthcare. They are looking for qualified mental health nurses. Salary scale is 30,000 to 34,000 pounds a year. So they're offering tier 2 visa, free flight to the UK, free NMC fees, free transportation, and free accommodation upon arrival. They're going to pay for your first month's rent and deposit, relocation package of 5,000, and so many other, benefits. However, the experience for this job, they need at least 2 years nursing experience and the normal English language requirements. So I'm also going to leave the link to this job in the description box, okay? So you can check it out if you're suitable for this job. So the last on my list is Norfolk and Waveney International Recruitment Hub, okay? So they're looking for internationally trained nurses who are willing to relocate to the UK. Right. So their incentives include 3 weeks of free training and accommodation, certificate of sponsorship, welcome package on arrival, flight from preferred airport to UK and airport transfers, OSCE training, and all that. So they're going to reimburse you your IELTS and CBT and your visa fees. Okay? So the link to this one will also be in the description box. Yeah, so these are their requirements and all that. Salary scale 27,000 to 32,000 plus pounds. And they have a range of shifts available. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and apply for this one too. So this is all I have for today. If you like this video, kindly like it, share to someone you think who needs it, and subscribe to this channel, okay? And also turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. All right? So I have exhausted my list for today. However, if I come across more of these jobs, I'm going to share them with you. And if you've got your CV and you got your documents ready, you can make use of this opportunity and apply for these jobs. Who knows? Thank you so much for sticking with me to this point. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.